JDCap26 says just at tips, repairs, and hobbies, and here we are with QuickTime. And QuickTime is down here. When you open it up, you want to select desktop to have it sent to desktop, and also you want to have it sent to entire screen. I don't believe I can show you the options right now, but I'm going to put in the description and the comments below the do's and don'ts of QuickTime. In my last video, I had lost portions of the video here, making images on top of folders and color changes. It didn't show up as part of the screen because it wasn't on entire screen, which is the third one over on the options on the bar on QuickTime. So you have to have that enabled. You have to click on it and have it enabled. And also, you have to have it set to desktop, like I said before. I wish I could show you this. Maybe I'll do some screenshots and put them in the video to show you. And you'll see what I'm talking about. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. And stay tuned for those screenshots. I'll put them in there. Maybe in the beginning. Bye for now.